If you think there's a fundamental contradiction about a mutual or credit union being tied to a profit-making bank, then you're wrong. Bendigo and Adelaide Bank have stayed true to their vision to feed into the prosperity of our customers and community, not off it, for over 160 years, which has helped them grow into Australia's 5th largest retail bank, become Fortune's Change the World Australian champion, Australia's 3rd most trusted brand, and win the 2017 Shared Value Award. The Alliance Bank solution is not a merger. You get to keep your brand, board, management team and capital. Here you'll have independence, freedom to grow your business, steer your own business strategy, and retain marketing and pricing control. As an Alliance Bank, you can return profits to members through lower fees and more competitive rates, and invest in shared value community initiatives to grow, diversify, and use your profit for good. This is a true alliance, a partnership built on championing shared value, and a commitment to a future that benefits members and the community.